We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2023 Mercedes A35 AMG protected with an i96 Connect. So if a thief copied the key, done a relay attack, got this key in any way and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. Because this is an i96 Connect, as you're going to see, the customer's phone's going to ring. So they're going to be alerted if someone's trying to steal the vehicle. The customers will drive the vehicle, what they'll do, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop in a code unique to them. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. We receive a disarm tone, foot on the brake, start the vehicle, and it fires into life. They can drive away. Customer can choose their own code between 3 and 21 presses in any order, totally up to them. And they can also pair their phone to the system, so with their Bluetooth on, they just get in, start the car like normal. It fires up, system disarms, no need to waste time putting your code in. This is the i96 Connect, calls your phone under an attack, pairs to your phone so you don't need to use a push sequence, but also you can choose a unique sequence, totally up to you, between 3 and 21 presses. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is an A35 AMG 2023. Thanks for watching.